just to show you the technique of our tarping. We went high, we wanted a view, but we've got this down bit here and it's naturally drawing a little bit of the water overflow. It's happening on its own. Then we went level 2, so not just one tarp, but 2 tarps. And why? Just to have a little bit of room for our super large logs. Campfires for a week.
Good for the logs, Tracy.
Yeah, we did some nice foraging today.
Look at that campsite. That's a friggin' good campsite.
Shit, we need to attend to the fire.
Okay.
We're gonna lose our boil sherry. On delay. Help! Help! No, really.